Hi, today we will look at a chemistry problem related to class 11th. The number of electrons, protons and neutrons in a species are equal to 18, 16 and 16 respectively. Assign the proper symbol to the species. Let us consider a random element X with an atomic number Z and atomic mass A. Let us suppose that X is the element which we have to find. Now we will write down the values listed down according to their correct names. So the number of neutrons plus the number of protons or electrons for a neutral species will be equal to the atomic mass, which is equal to A, and the number of protons plus the number of electrons will be equal to Z, which is the atomic number. And now let us substitute the values. For number of protons we have 16 and number of electrons as 18, which will sum up to 34. And now number of neutrons, which is 16, and number of protons 16, will sum up to 32. So substituting these values, in our random assumption we will get X, where 32 is the atomic mass and 34 is the atomic number. Here we will write -2 because we have 2 excess number of electrons than the protons. And now looking at the periodic table, we can say that X is sulfur with atomic number 34, atomic mass 32, having 2 excess number of electrons. Thank you.